Okay, good morning everyone. I think all of you are not strange to the flipped classroom, 翻转教室. But have you ever heard of flip coding? And why coding is so popular and important in today's society? So, because of the big data, the internet has controlled the tendency of the world, and we tend to interact with computers and new technologies. Also, the former mayor of New York, Michael Bloomberg, also announced that his New Year resolution is to take up computer coding. And moreover, Estonia has started teaching its graders to code. So coding is quite important in today's society. So before I start my speech, I would like to ask you a question first. What is your first impression when we talk about coding? Any idea? Okay, let me help you. This one, the whole screen is full of small sizes of words. Unbelievable, how can I read this? Or this one. You have to understand all these computer languages such as Java here, and C++ program, Ruby, Python, or something else. But how about this one? Have you ever thought of this kind of style can be one of coding? As you can see, there are many graphical programming blocks here, and we just move these blocks from here to here, and we can order this cat to do what instructions we arrange. Yes. And I will show you how it works at the end of my presentation. Yeah? So, let's move on. So today, I would like to introduce an interesting programming website called Scratch. I have called Scratch. The professor at the MIT Media Lab and director of the MIT Scratch team, Mitchell Resnick, says young people today have lots of experience interacting with new technologies, but a lot of them sort of less expressing or creating themselves with new technologies. It means that it is almost as if they can read, but they cannot write. Yes. So I will have 3 parts in my presentation about Scratch. The first one is we can learn how to train our logic and creative thinking. The second one is we can edit or share our projects in Scratch. Last but not least, we can develop some important skills such as information communication skills and interpersonal and self-directional skills, and also thinking and problem-solving skills through Scratch. Doesn't it sound exciting?
Yes.
Okay, follow me and explore the modern era. Let's go. This is the outline of my speech today. First, I will give you the brief introduction of Scratch, discussing on what is Scratch and why is it so popular. And then I will focus on the benefits of using Scratch, the 3 parts I mentioned before. And last part is my conclusion. Okay, so what is Scratch? Scratch is an interesting website where we can make our own animations, stories, and videos. Yes, and it is a set of visual programming language, which is totally free. Whenever you want to make unique presents for your parents or your friends on special days, you can use it to help you to make a unique presents, unique videos for your parents or friends. And also, it suits everyone in different ages because of its vivid page I showed you in the previous slide. Yes. So, okay, I will focus on the 3 benefits of using Scratch. The first one is Scratch can train our logic and creative thinking. Its spirit is imagine, program, and share. So it is necessary for us to have clear logic to program, to imagine, to create more complete projects. Yes. And don't worry, there is no complex syntax but graphical programming blocks, which are like Lego blocks. You just move here and you will let this cat move what you want. Yes, so as long as we have clear logic and creativity, it is easy for us to make these stories, animations, and games easily. Okay, and the second one is we can edit or share our projects with others in different countries. Okay, as you can see, there are many projects in Scratch, and you just click any one of them you are interested in, and you can see this. There are some blocks here, and you can change some blocks, and that meet your own expectation. Yes, and thanks for this function, we can interchange interesting ideas with others, and everyone can edit others' project to make them more creative, so that their project in Scratch can be more complete and creative, and there are more and more projects shared on the internet. Yes, and the third one is we can develop some important skills by using Scratch. Beginners can indulge in the easy way of Scratch and inspire their interest in coding. After being interested in coding, they can do, and 3 skills that is important. Okay, my conclusion is creativity is unlimited, and after we connect to the world because of the coding, we become more confident, and also we can create many things amazingly. Okay, very quick. I will show my project in Scratch. This one. Okay, see. You just, and it will move. And you'll see, thanks for your listening. And also, if you space, you will go and you will change its colors at the same time. And then you will say goodbye. Okay, thank you.